Hi, my name is Dominic and I would like to show you how geocoding works in road control. For the purpose of this video, I assume that you have downloaded and installed the road control desktop application and that you understand how data import works. If that's not the case, do not worry and turn to our older videos located at the Position YouTube channel. Alright then, what is the point of geocoding? To calculate a road control plan, each location that we have here in the places have to be located with precise coordinates. Otherwise, it is not possible to connect it to the road network and hence to the calculation. At times, however, the coordinates may not be available. For example, if you import a location from a file that contains only addresses but no exact latitude and longitude information. Just like it is in some sample road control import files, which we can look at now. So let's go to road control, import schedule. As you can see, the default road control folder opens, and let's have a look at the import addresses file. Microsoft Excel will open, and as you can see, we have some data in here. One depot and 10 customers, each of which has an address, but no actual latitude and longitude info. So let's try to import this file. As you can see, road control is warning us that some places are missing coordinates. In fact, all of them. As you can see in the properties, they have addresses, but the coordinates are unknown. But we can add those by the means of geocoding. First, you can add the coordinates manually. If you know your bearings in the map and know where the site is located, you can click the Edit Coordinates button and then the right place on the map. So the customer 1 is supposed to be in Utrecht in the Crosselaan Street. So if we know where the Crosselaan Street is exactly in the map, we can just zoom in there. And here is Utrecht. I don't know where it is, but I'll just show you, for example, here. And now, when we go to the properties, you can see that there's still the address, but now we have also coordinates that I've just manually added. If you do not know the address, you can use the search on map functionality. So let's go to search on map. The new panel opens, and in here you can input addresses and search them. So I'm going to have a look at the Excel sheet again. Let's choose an address, for example this German one, it's Südwall Street 36, so I'm going to copy paste it. The town is Krefeld 47798. Okay, so Südwall 36. Now we have several hits, but our one is the Krefeld city and 47798, that's it. So when I click it, as you can see, I have now the location of this place, which was customer 9. So I'm going to click the edit coordinates and click to our location. Okay, this way you can do it all manually, but the simplest and fastest way is the automatic remote geocoding. So, for the purposes of the remote geocoding, I'm going to open a smaller file that I've created beforehand. Import addresses 2. There's just 4 places, one of which is the customer 9 that is in the Südwall Street, Krefeld city, but no coordinates yet. We are going to try the automatic geocoding. So I'm going to add a vehicle, and now we can start the remote calculation. Now road control is warning us that some of the places have missing coordinates. We can edit them manually, as I've seen before. We can skip those, or we can try to geocode them remotely. So the task name is fine. I'm going to hit OK, and we will have to wait a minute for the automatic geocoding and for the calculation itself. So the automatic geocoding is not really intended for bulk and large inputs, because as you can see, it increases remote calculation time. The calculation has now ended, and let's make sure that our customer 9 is located correctly. And yes, it's the Sudwall Street. You cannot really see it at the moment. If I delete the calculation, yes, that's exactly the place. Okay, so this automatic geocoding is intended for smaller numbers of addresses, for example, when geocoding new customers in routine road control tasks. For the initial mass geocoding of your customer database, the position services search web service is available to you. Or we can provide you with a one-time bulk geocoding service. Okay, great. I hope that the possibilities of geocoding are now clear. For today, that's it from me, and I wish you a lot of success.